Chinese automaker BYD on Thursday signed a land purchase agreement with Thailand's industrial estate developer WHA Group to build its new electric vehicle factory in the Southeast Asian country. The 96-hectare plant is located in Thailand's eastern Rayong province. The plant is scheduled to start operation in 2024, with an annual production capacity of 150,000 units.
我们会首先做纯电动汽车，根据泰国市场的实际需求，我们也会考虑去在这里制造 PHEV。我们是希望能够通过比亚迪多年技术沉淀的积累，能够真正为泰国市场新能源产业的整体发展去做出贡献。
Thailand is aiming to significantly grow its EV market in hope of establishing 30% of its auto production as EV-based.